Hey guys, welcome to this video, and finally it's time for the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Here is a little disclaimer guys. I actually had the box open when I bought the phone because I wanted to apply a screen protector on the phone, and this is the screen protector that goes all the way around the phone and protects the bezels, and it even protects the back of the phone. So this is the plastic one, so I actually had to get the box open in order to do that. But I still wanted to go through the unboxing and show you guys everything that is in here in this box. So let's start with the specifications first of this particular model, and let me just take this plastic off first. And it's actually a pretty similar box to what you get with S8 Plus and Note 8. So this is very similar to those. So let's go through the specifications of this particular model first. We have got a 6.2-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display, dual cameras here, both are 12 megapixel, both are optically image stabilized. One of them has a variable aperture of f1.5 to f2.4, and the other one is a telephoto lens. We have got super slow-mo 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera, stereo speakers tuned by AKG. So this is the first time we are getting stereo speakers on a Samsung phone. IP68 rating, iris scanner, 64 gig memory and 6 gigs RAM. There is also 128 gig version available in the market. There is wireless charging here, and we've got earphones tuned by AKG, also secured by Knox if you care. So let's get this out, and there we have a mark. We are actually supposed to open it like this, and we have got paperwork box, I guess. So let's lift it out, let's put it aside for a while, and here is our phone. So let's take it out. Now this is the titanium gray version. I actually wanted to do something different this time. I was getting bored with the black color, so this is the one that I got, and I really feel that this is the best color among all except for the blue one that Samsung has come out with. So I actually have a screen protector applied. It goes all the way around the phone, so protects the bezels, protect the metal on the sides. So it's pretty neat if you care about it. So that's the phone. Let's put it aside for a while and take a look at what's inside here. We've got a SIM ejector tool, and we've got some paperwork and something really cool. We have got a silicone case here inside the box. That is pretty awesome from Samsung. Let's see if it fits, and obviously it does. So there you go, a silicone case. You can put it on and protect your phone. So let's see what else is in the box. Now we have got a USB connector. We've got USB-C to micro USB connector. We've got a fast charger, adaptive fast charging or charging cable, USB-A to USB-C charging cable, AKG headphones. So pretty nice. We've got some extra earpieces. So that's everything that's inside the box. That was the unboxing of S9 Plus. Now this phone is actually pretty similar to what you get with S8 Plus. It is the same size, it has the same design, and everything is pretty similar. And finally we get the fingerprint scanner that's below the camera module, so easy to reach and easy to use. We've got dual cameras at the back, and obviously we've got a headphone jack, USB-C down below, and our speakers. Then we also have a speaker in the earpiece. We've got a Bixby button at the side, and then volume buttons and power button here. So that is it. Let's turn it on and go through the initial process. And there we go guys, that's Samsung Experience 9.0 running on top of Android Oreo. You have swipe up to go into the app drawer, swipe up again to go back. Pretty similar experience. We've got our notification shortcuts. Let's go in settings, and let's go in about phone, and here let's go in software information. So we've got Android version 8.0.0, Samsung Experience version 9.0, and we have got a security patch level of 1st January 2018. So that's about it. That was the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So if you have any questions, or if there are any particular type of videos that you're hoping to see, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.